Hi, my name is wayambhu and I am from 7th standard, and my school name is MPS KANENAGAR School, and my subject is SST ma'am, and my SST ma'am name is Snehal ma'am. And today you can see this image of volcano. I am telling you about this volcano. This is a magma chamber. I will tell you first of all magma chamber. The underground space usually deep below the earth surface occupied by magma that may ascend from toward the surface. Second one, crust. The hard part of the outside of a piece of bread, a pie, and etc. That's called crust. Third, ash cloud. Ash cloud occur when a violent occupation is a or volcano absorb into the atmosphere by up the force of the expanse of small size practice that ash of the of 2 mm may stay afloat for 10 cent to 1000 cent kilometer from the vent. In some close up volcano ash curtive the glow. That's called ash cloud. Fourth, lava fall. Lava fall are stream of molten rock that pour off as from occupy when lava is extracted during ether expressing activity lava fountain. That's called lava fall. And fifth, volcano bombs. Volcano bombs are lava bomb is mass of particle molten rock. They were large than 64 mm, 2.5 inches in diameter from when volcano ejects volcano from mountain of lava during any occupation. That's called volcano bombs. Thank you.